So there are five things: digibind, phenytoin, respiratory alkalosis, beta blocker overdose, and chloroquine. So digibind is brand name of digoxin immune antibody, which also comes in the name of digifab. Digibind is digoxin specific antibody which is used as antidote for overdose of digoxin, which is made from immunoglobulin fragments from sheep that already been immunized with digoxin derivative. It is only indicated when there is digoxin ingestion of greater than 10 mg. So nearly 40 mg digibind binds approximately with 5.6 mg of digoxin. Second one is phenytoin. So the question is, phenytoin, can it be used to treat theophylline seizures? So what theophylline seizures are? Theophylline is xanthine derivative which induces relaxation of smooth muscles. Theophylline does not trigger seizures as such, but rather it potentiates pre-existing brain hyperexcitability. So phenytoin cannot be used in theophylline seizures because it has no use in drug-induced seizures. So what can be used is diazepam, phenobarbital, and chloral hydrate. Third one is respiratory alkalosis. Respiratory alkalosis is occur when there is overdose of aspirin, in which increased respiratory alkalosis means increased respiration which elevates the blood pH because CO2 levels drop too low, which decreases bicarbonate ion concentration and ultimately increases blood pH, which is called as respiratory alkalosis. So after taking aspirin, which is also called as aspirin overdose or salicylate poisoning. So aspirin is generally used to treat acute coronary syndrome, low dose to prevent thrombosis. Fourth one is beta blocker overdose. So beta blockers are generally used to treat beta blockers generally reduces blood pressure by blocking the effects of hormone epinephrine, which is also called as adrenaline. So in what happens in beta blocker overdose? Bradycardia and hypotension. So what treatment can be given is glucagon, which increases heart rate and myocardial contractility. So glucagon acts by directly increasing cardiac inotropy by activating adenyl cyclase by a secondary mechanism. Also increases hepatic gluconeogenesis, counteracting the hypoglycemia which is caused by beta blocker. So glucagon is used in the treatment of beta blocker overdose. Fifth one is chloroquine, which is generally used to treat malaria, but its overdose is fatal. Its toxic symptoms or signs are headache, respiratory or cardiac arrest, and etc.